2018 Mercedes-Benz GLE-Class Coupe. 2018 Mercedes-Benz GLE-Class Coupe Review. The Mercedes-Benz GLE Coupe fastback crossover certainly is stylish, yet it's not very practical. 3-star overall score. The 2018 Mercedes-Benz GLE-Class Coupe just isn't for the average person or practical of mind. While the majority of people buy crossovers with regards to superior passenger and cargo space when compared with sedans or wagons, the 2018 Mercedes-Benz GLE-Class Coupe instead prioritizes style over utility. Relative to the normal GLE-Class, the GLE Coupe's swoopy roofline reduces both rear seat headroom and vertical space for storing in the back. So if the utility component of this SUV is compromised, where exactly would it shine? Ostensibly, the GLE-Class Coupe is a bit more interested in that sport bit. Most Mercedes-Benz vehicles provide a variety of engines that run the gamut from fuel-efficient to tire shredding. The GLE-Class Coupe skips the boring stuff and is available in just two versions, outlandish and ludicrous. The so-called base engine is often a twin-turbo V6 churning out nearly 400 horsepower, as the AMG 63S twin-turbo V8 cranks out nearly 600 horsepower. Though the GLE Coupe absolutely stomps in the straight line, Mercedes engineers were not able to do much to reinforce this vehicle's handling prowess. Even as compared to some similarly designed crossovers, the Coupe is simply not much fun driving an automobile. The end result is usually a vehicle that is not especially practical or sporty. What's new? The AMG GLE-43 is a little more powerful, increasing engine output from 362 horsepower to 385 horsepower. A new AMG Performance Studio package debuts to the GLE-43, adding black exterior elements and orange-rimmed wheels, among other appearance upgrades. Otherwise, the Mercedes-Benz GLE-Class Coupe is unchanged for 2018. As almost as much as we like the thought of the AMG GLE-63S and its particular outrageously powerful twin-turbo V8, it's spectacularly more costly than its baby brother. For that reason, we'd start with the normal AMG GLE-43 and tick the boxes for both premium packages. These two packages convey a plethora of advanced driver aids and many need luxury upgrades. Better still, they do not increase the main thing by much. Add the massaging front seats with ventilation and even sporty SUV packed with desirable features. Trim levels and features. The 2018 Mercedes-Benz GLE-Class Coupe can be a 5-passenger midsize SUV accessible in two trim levels, AMG GLE-43 and AMG GLE-63S. Both can tow nearly 7,200 pounds and therefore are equipped with standard 4MATIC all-wheel drive. Despite their similar names, a large gulf in price and satisfaction separates both the variants. The AMG GLE-43 is well equipped as standard, and also on the whole it can be described as an affordable alternative to everyday luxury people movers. There's almost no that's reasonable in regards to the AMG GLE-63S, however, and its particular fans embrace its ludicrousness being a badge of honor. Powering the AMG GLE-43 is often a turbocharged 3.0-litre V6, 385 horsepower, 384 pound-feet of torque, plus a 9-speed automatic. Standard equipment highlights include 21-inch wheels, an adaptive air suspension, a panoramic sunroof, an electrical liftgate, power folding and auto-dimming mirrors, dual-zone automatic climate control, an electrical adjustable leader, heated front seats, driver seat memory settings, premium vinyl upholstery along with a 115-volt household-style power outlet. Standard tech and security features include an 8-inch central display, the command infotainment interface, a navigation system, a 13-speaker Harman Kardon speakers, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, blind spot monitoring, lane departure warning and intervention, and also a forward collision warning system with automatic emergency braking. Two primary options packages are available with the GLE-43. The inexpensive Premium 2 package incorporates heated and cooled front cup holders, interior ambient lighting, illuminated door sills along with a center pass-through with the rear seat. The Premium 3 pack further adds a 360-degree parking camera, back and front parking sensors, adaptive cruise control, an automatic steering system, a collision avoidance system, lane departure mitigation and an automatic parallel parking system. It's an enormous step up price-wise towards the AMG GLE-63S. Under the hood can be a turbocharged 5.5-litre V8, 577 horsepower, 561 pounds-feet of torque, mated to your 7-speed automatic transmission. It adds 22-inch wheels, summer performance tires, active stabilizer bars, bigger brakes, adaptive LED headlights, automatic high beam control, a carbon fiber engine cover, a 360-degree parking camera, noise-reducing front row windows, a sport leader, heated and ventilated front sports seats, front passenger memory settings, upgraded leather upholstery plus the contents in the Premium 2 package. It also includes the Premium 3 package's 360-degree parking camera and parking system. There are some appearance packages at the same time. Both models can be designed with the night package, which adds gloss black coil valances and window surrounds. The GLE-43 only AMG Performance Studio package incorporates the night package along with an orange lip for the front bumper, an orange stripe within the wheels and faux suede seat inserts. Notable standalone options include tri-zone climate control, limited 14-speaker Bang & Olufsen speakers, multi-contour massaging front seats, heated rear seats, a rear entertainment system plus a trailer hitch. Optional for your GLE-63S is really a performance exhaust system. Trim tested. Each vehicle typically is available in multiple versions that happen to be fundamentally similar. The S in this particular review use our full test from the 2016 Mercedes-Benz GLE-Class Coupe AMG GLE-63S, 5.5 liters twin-turbo V8, 7-speed automatic, AWD. Note, since this test was conducted, the actual GLE-Class Coupe has brought only minor revisions. Our findings remain applicable on the 2018 GLE-Class Coupe driving. It's tremendously powerful and agile due to the size, however you never forget the best way heavy this GLE Coupe is. It's civilized if you are just cruising around. A puzzling vehicle, it's effective inside the same way a gold-plated hammer is. Acceleration. Getting thrust through the 5.5-litre twin-turbo V8. Big-hearted and punchy. The 7-speed automatic is often a bit dull-witted as well as doesn't lead the category in its response to gear change requests. It's smooth, though. It blitzed to 60 miles per hour in only 4.0 seconds in your testing. Braking. Despite its mass, it stops from 60 miles per hour inside a respectable to 112 feet. Pedal feel-out is intuitive and straightforward to modulate. Steering. The steering within reason precise and well-weighted, though feel is around the numb side. No bad manners, though. The quick steering ratio tends to make this bruiser easier to wield. Handling. For its size, it's more adept than you could expect. Heavy and stable. Body roll within reason contained, plus it changes direction without drama. But other sporting SUVs have better handling. Drivability. It's quite pleasant in normal driving. It behaves in a very civilized manner in routine driving. Smooth gear changes. The idle stop feature responds acceptably quickly when restarting. This is often a vehicle you may let your grandparents drive. Comfort. It has well-shaped seats and much better noise isolation than you may expect. The GLE Coupe rides greater than its primary competitor, the BMW X6M. The engine sounds terrific. Seat comfort. The front seats are supportive but tend to still deliver good comfort during long drives. The optional massage function is entertaining. Reasonably comfortable back seat. Ride comfort. Better ride compliance compared to the BMW X6M. The standard air suspension rounds off of the sharp edges in the road and does a great job of manipulating the car's large 22-inch wheels. Noise and vibration. Very effective noise isolation. The engine is vocal during even light acceleration, but it is unobtrusive and incredibly satisfying to see. Very good suppression of wind noise. Road noise is just not as bad as being the huge steamroller tires indicates. Interior. While finely trimmed, the GLE-63's cabin suffers due to your low and sloping roof line, which consumes interior space. There's surprisingly little space inside in gargantuan outside dimensions. All in the downsides of a big vehicle with none on the upsides. Is beneficial. Like all modern Benzes, it is a well laid out cabin that's intuitive to work with. We like the important climate control knobs plus the thick controls. The row of shiny buttons looks nice but lacks watchability. Getting in, getting out. There's a reasonably tall boost into the cabin. Getting in is impeded through the running board. It's too narrow to become useful, however gets inside your way.